Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make beef vada, a truly delightful and savory snack. We will walk through each step, from gathering your fresh ingredients to the final golden brown fry. You will discover how easy it is to prepare this flavorful dish, perfect for any occasion. Get ready to impress your family and friends with this wonderful recipe, ensuring a satisfying culinary experience every time. To begin, gather your essential ingredients for this flavorful beef vada. You will need about 500 grams of finely minced beef and 100 grams of chana dal, or split chickpeas. Remember to soak the chana dal in water for at least 2 hours beforehand, then drain it completely. Also, prepare fresh ginger, garlic, and a few green chilies, along with your favorite blend of aromatic spices like cumin and coriander powder. These components form the heart of our delicious vada. Now, let's move on to mixing and shaping our vadas. First, grind the soaked and drained chana dal with the fresh ginger, garlic, and green chilies until it forms a coarse paste. Next, in a large bowl, combine this ground mixture with your 500 grams of minced beef and all the aromatic spices. Mix everything together very thoroughly by hand. Then, take small portions of the mixture and gently form them into flat, round patties, each about 2 inches in diameter and 1/2 inch thick. Finally, it's time to fry and enjoy your delicious beef vadas. Heat about 2 inches of cooking oil in a deep pan to approximately 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place a few vadas into the hot oil, ensuring not to overcrowd the pan. Fry them for about 3 to 5 minutes on each side, or until they are beautifully golden brown and cooked completely through. Remove them and drain any excess oil. Serve these hot, crispy beef vadas immediately with your favorite chutney or a cooling yogurt dip for a truly satisfying treat.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.